welcome back to my channel. Today I went to the 99-cent store and I didn't plan on doing like a vlog or anything of that sort because hold on, because I didn't plan on getting like I only went for one thing, but I came back with you know, a little bit more than just what I went to go get. So I decided to go ahead and do a little 99-cent store haul and show you guys what is there right now, because there is a lot of stuff. So let me show you what I purchased first. So first I got start off with the stuff, like regular stuff. I got some bananas, because we go through bananas like crazy here. Me and Max love bananas. And then I got a cantaloupe because it smells so good. Yeah, it smells so good, so it must be very juicy. You want to smell? It smells good? And then I got some avocados because, you know, I love some avocados with some toast in the mornings. So that's what I got there. And then I got some apples. Yeah. The produce were like, these were 99 cents each, and then the bananas were like 40 cents the pound, I think. Then the cantaloupe was $1.99. The apples were $1.99, which is really good because it comes with I believe this is a 5-pound bag. So yeah, it comes with a lot of apples for $1.99. And then I got Max some chips. He loves these chips. These were $2.49. I don't know why these weren't $1. And then I got some of these. I've never tried the brand, so I don't know if they're going to be good or not, but Jalissa loves these. So we'll see if they're good. And then I got my favorite snack to snack on from there, which is this chile limon botana. And it's like pretty much all kinds of seeds, peanuts, and I believe that's it. But yeah, it comes with chile and limon already in it, so these are so good. Yeah. And then I got, let me see, I got this little cup for Jalissa. I saw it and I just thought it was the cutest little thing. It's glass with a little llama. And I just thought it was so cute. And like I said, it's glass. For some reason, she loves glass cups. So it was so cute. And it was like this was $1.99. But how cute is this little cup? I love it. I wanted it for me, but I got it for Jules. And then I saw this little birdie. And I just thought it was going to be so cute just to place anywhere. Like, I just thought it was going to be so cute on a little stand, or just to put in my entrance table. Especially for right now for the season, since it's just so lovely. I don't know, I just loved it. Careful, Max, do not break it. Okay. I just thought it was so cute and I had to get it. And then that was $1.99. And then I got this little pot holder. And I mean, come on, for 99 cents, I just had to get it. It's a little pot holder, but careful, you're gonna break him. Put the little birdie down. It's a little pot holder, but I don't know if I'm gonna use it for that, because I just love it. I think I'm gonna go back and get another one. Maybe I can put my brushes there for right now. But it's so freaking cute. I might put some flowers, or I don't know. I'll use it for something. But I mean, 99 cents. Yep, I had to get it. And then I got the kids some stuff. I got them some chalk from the Easter section. If you have not checked out the 99-cent store for Easter stuff, you need to, because there is like so many cute stuff. Quit, Max. There's so many cute stuff for the kids to put in their little baskets. Super cute, and I mean 99 cents. So I got them these little eggs, which Max already took out 2 of them, but it's chalk. Especially these days have been really nice to be, you know, take them outside and stuff. And then I got Jalissa some glitter gel pens because she just loves anything that's glitter. And I saw these and I thought they were so cute. And then I had to get her this. If she wasn't going to get it, I was going to get it for myself. It's so cute. It's like a little bag to put pencils or anything in there, but it has glitter inside, or these little stars inside, and it's so cute. So she can put her little gel pens in there, or just, I don't know, anything, her little dolls, her little LOL outfits. So freaking cute for 99 cents. And then I got myself a cup. I got this little cup for $1.99, and I just love it. It's really tall, so pretty, I don't know, pretty tall. This is my hand, so it's pretty tall, and especially for the summer, like right now, you can fill it up with anything on the go, you know, and it fits the cup holder. So that's what I always look forward to on cups, for it to fit the cup holder. So yeah, $1.99, and I loved it. So cute. I'm just saying, so cute for everything, right? And I got the kids some bubbles. Once again, this is in the in the Easter section. And they have so many cute stuff. I held off a lot on the Easter stuff because I plan on going back once I start making their Easter baskets. So right now I just bought like that stuff so they can play outside, but I'm gonna go back to get more to put in their Easter baskets. And then I found this little tripod for $1.99. I saw this on Amazon, but I kind of wanted like one that was a little bit taller, or that you can make taller, but then I remembered that I have my ring light, so maybe I could just hang it on there. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see if I like it or not. I mean, $1.99, why not? Let's try it. And then I'll show you guys that in a little bit. And then I got Max's little dinosaur cup for whenever we're on the go. Just a little cup, plastic cup. And then what I originally went for, but I came out with $40 worth of stuff. What I originally went for was for this. If you have not tried this, hold on. If you have not tried this, this is like the best spot remover for any kind of like any stains on your clothes, laundry, like blankets, anything. It's super, super good. Like, it's better than Shout, I promise you. I think that's what it's called, Shout or something. Yeah, it's like 10 times better than that. So if you have not tried it, and it's only 99 cents. So yeah, you need to get your hands on it. Lastly, I found this stuff. This is like a little board that you can like put your name or put anything on there for $3.99. I was looking at these online, and it was like maybe like $10 or a little bit more. I saw them at Marshall's one time for like $12.99, but I decided just to wait on it. And good thing I did, because I found this for $3.99, and I'm gonna put this probably in my little vanity whenever clients come over. And then I found this, which is so freaking cute. I saw it, and there's different colors, but I love this one. And they have like black, and it was only $4.99, guys. $4.99 for 3 of these. I plan on putting these maybe in my bathroom. I don't know. I don't know. I might go back for another one because I really, really love them. And I mean, $4.99 for 3, it's such a good deal. So I originally went for one thing, and then I came out with $35 worth of stuff. So 99-cent store, $35 right there. So yeah, if you have a 99-cent store near you, I suggest you run and get all this stuff, because there's so many cute stuff. There's a lot of more stuff, like I said, but this is the stuff that I got today. And there's a lot of Easter stuff, a lot of cute little things to put on the Easter basket. So I will be going back to purchase all the stuff for the Easter baskets, and I will take you guys with me next time that I go. But for right now, this is what I got. And I hope you girls enjoyed this video, this little haul. And I will see you next time. Bye.